Everybody, hi. I hope that you can see me and hear me. Uh, my name is Ravil, and I'm the one who invented and developed the Scoreboard application for various kind of sports, starting from soccer, football, and the hockey, the futsal, and the basketball. Yesterday I've uploaded the major update, as I suppose, which most of you've been asking for me to do it. And so I'd like to tell about my update, and also I'll be checking the chat so you can ask for a question. So the first thing that I did was, let me share my screen. So now let's run the application. So when you download the new version of the Scoreboard application, you will see that you will find the lang, two lang files. One is lang YAML, and another one is lang RUS. So this is a kind of localizations that I did. So now let's run the application and go step by step. I'll explain how you can make your own labels and buttons on your own language. So when you run the application, you see the output window and the control panel window. So when you push timer show height, you can see this TMA. Let's make it, I don't know, maybe let's like in Russian Torpedo, which is playing against Man City, for example. And like in previous versions, you can start, stop, change all the timers, seconds. Nothing new here actually. So the new begins. Let's talk about the language, like control panel, home, and etc. As you can see, all labels are now in English, but you can make it in your own language. And now I will show you how. Let's open the lang YAML file and take a look at here. So tap control. This is control, and tap control. Control, this one is control, home. This one is home, away, away, color, color, text, text. Then all these other buttons, like scoreboard teams, you can see it here, scoreboard and teams, like scoreboard and teams. If you want this to be on 2 lines, you need to write the first line, then the empty line, and then the third line. And it will be looking like that. I'm going to show you this in a minute. Now let's make it, for example, I'm from Russia and I want to make it in Russian. Okay, now let's control. I'll make it like that. Home, this is like the home team. Make it Хозяева. Away team, Гости. Color, like this one, this tab. I'll call it Цвета. This may be cap. And text, I'll call it text. Oh, sorry. So now when I close the application and save that file, when I open the application once again, you'll see that they're now all in Russian. Now let's double check. Yeah. Like control, хозяева. Yes, I've spelled it incorrect. Гости, цвета, text, and etc. Let's say that scoreboard teams, this one. This one means that scoreboard teams, when you show it like that, scoreboard teams, this one is that color. Now let's change it, scoreboard teams, and let's make it red, for example. Scoreboard score, but this one, let's make it maybe white. Scoreboard timer, let's make it, I don't know, maybe orange. And these are the fonts. The font for the teams, let's make it white. Font for score, which is here, let's make it black. And font for timer, which is here, let's also make it black. It's super easy, and when you load it, once again the application, it will set the colors that you that you've saved the last time. So this is the most important update, I suppose, because most of you asked me to do the application on different languages like Russian. There was my friends from Turkey, which wanted it also to be in Turkish. So now you can do it on your own, and now you can write your own language. Okay, so can you please tell me, is it okay? I mean that the broadcast is running, or let me check it over here. Yes, it is okay. So the second thing that I did, you've also asked for it. So now all the lineup has the numbers. And now when you, for example, setting the goals, or yellow cards, or red cards, substitutions, and etc., you now can see not only names but the numbers. For example, let me make this one a goal, and here's his number, and the yellow card also with the number, and the red card, everything comes with number. And the same with substitutions. For example, let's like 17 and number 6 substitution, also with number. So now for user, it's easier to find the right player from the squad. It's running fine. Yeah, thanks. So now it's easy for user to find the player from the squad, because not only names he can see here, but the numbers. The same with the away team. Actually, let me write here in Russian, in English once again. Let's control. This is home. This is away. This is color, and this one is text. And before you start to write here your own labels on your own language, don't forget to make the backup. For example, you can make it like that, rename it, and set it like backup. That's done. So now let's run it once again. Okay. Now the next thing that I did, I think that it's very important thing that now let's run the timer. Let's make it start. For example, team A play against Manchester City. So, for example, some of the player, like this one, he scored a goal. You press goal. The application shows the goal scorer. I don't know how to say it in English. And also, let's change it here. And when you open the text, you can see that the goal scorer, number, surname, number, name, and the minute. Now, when you push the lower scoreboard, you can see that Team A scored this person at 6 minutes. Now, for example, if we make it like that, make it like this, maybe like that, and now we've got 4 goals, I suppose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sometimes it happens, and all you need to do is to do it like that. Okay, just press enter, and when you hit the lower scoreboard, you can see that all 4 are here: number, name, and a minute. So, for example, if there was the like an own goal or a penalty, you just hit, for example, here, open the bracket, writing penalty, like own goal. Oh, sorry. And when you hit lower scoreboard once again, you can see here, like penalty, own goal, and etc. Then you can hide it. So now let's make it correct. Let's upload the logos, like championship logo. Championship logo, for example, let's make it from, I've had it somewhere here, I suppose. Yeah, this away logo. Let's make it like Torpedo Moscow, and the home logo, let's make it, oh my God. Sorry for that, guys. And let's make it like Zenit. So now when, let's imagine that we want to show the squats, and we hit squat. So now all the colors in here can be also changed. It was not available in previous version, but now it is. So let's go to color, and this one is called squat block. I've named it squat block, but you can name it whatever you want. So let's push the squat block number. So this button changes the numbers, these ones. So let's make them, I don't know, maybe yellow. And also, I want to mention that the squat block number also changes this one. So these are connected, and you will see which are connected to, because there are several parts that are connected to each other. So squat text, let's make it black. For example, squat block name, this one. Let's make it, I don't know, maybe like this color. And as you can see, it is connected with this. The color of the text is white, it's okay. And squat text coach, like this one, it is connected with this one. Let's make it so we use red, maybe like this one. And let's make the color of the text like black. Let's make it black. Okay. And the background, squat block background is, I don't know, let's make it maybe like this one. I don't know. Let's use it like this one. And so when you hide all, and you show it once again, and you can show like this one, as you can see, everything changes, and all these presets are saved, and the next time you will run the application, it will be the color scheme will be used from your last saving. I don't know how to say that in English, sorry. So also now let's imagine that the away team scored like this one. Oh, our timer is running actually. Okay. And like that. And let's make it like this. Let's type it like that and show the logo. Okay. And now when we show the lower scoreboard, you can see the team logo, the team name, score, and the goal scorers, of course. And also let's change this one, this part. This is the home logo background. This one is for this, and let's make it white. And for this one, let's make it, I don't know, let's make it maybe red, like that. So here is also what I did. Unfortunately, you cannot change this color, but the rest of the colors changed. This color is equal to this. This one equals to this. So the next time what I did, now you can copy paste actually text like from this one, like copy, paste, team 2. Also, you can copy paste from here to use it, for example, in OBS, and now I'll show you how. So let's hide this one. Let's open OBS and add, I'll actually hide this one. And now I am, let's make it like this. And now I am adding the window capture and add the output for this one. Now let's lock it. Press the right button, filters, add, and let's add the chroma key. Chroma key, where is it? It's chroma key. And to be more exact, we can copy this one, go to custom, select color, and paste it here. Close. Okay. And why it is not working? Oh, I need to make like this one. Yep. And I'll show you my camera. Let's unlock it. And let's lock it. So now, as we use the chroma key, we can now use our program, and it works just fine. Push the lower scoreboard. It shows the scoreboards, and it shows the squads. Oh, what an awful colors. And it also shows these squads. And now let's hide it. And now let's, I'll make it like this one. And now I want to show you how to update your squads. You open squad, XLS. And for example, let's make number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I can spell it correct. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's save it. And now to for you to make an update, you don't need to close the application and open it once again. You just press the update button. So now, as you can see, it's from like 10, 11, 15, 15. You press update, and here are the new numbers and the new squads. So it works correct and perfect. So let's close it. What I wanted to show you more on that. Now, you can also change actually these labels. You can, this text is also saved. You can change all this one, and what else? You actually didn't ask for anything else, so I just did that kind of update, and I suppose that it's very, very important. So, like additional timer, oh, like that. And let's close the application. Okay. So you can write me actually in chat. If you want, I can tell you about the ice hockey and the basketball light. If you don't, so I'm ready to answer your questions because I have an open chat in my browser. So do you have any questions, guys? Did anyone downloaded the update and already used it? Because I still didn't have a chance to control that. No, thank you. Okay. So if you don't have a question, Hattrick TV, I'll tell I'll tell about the ice hockey and the basketball light because some of my clients and then some of the people who bought the application, they don't know how to use it properly and to get the maximum of it. So let me do it like that. When you first run or the second time run the application, you run the application and you see here images and also a data and the executable file. So what is the main purpose of this application? And when I did and when I was with my friend like programming it, we wanted to make it for user to be more to feel free. Sasha Baker, a request would be in the squad Excel sheet instead of only home and away, maybe something like a way to add all teams in the league. Currently, it's tricky having to type in everything over and over. Sasha, thank you for your question. Actually, I have an idea. I don't know. Let me switch the camera. Actually, I have an idea, and I wanted to create a kind of a database for each user, but I don't know if it suits you because the main idea that in the future I want to make it more like more cool animation and the database, but I want to make it like it won't cost like 50 euro one time. This will be on the monthly basis, like on a subscription, let's say for €5 a month, and the user will be able to add the players to the database. And for example, when user he enters his credentials, enters to and all the teams that user added to the database and all the players will be there, and he can not just type it, and he can just pick it from the database. Let's say that, for example, Martin plays, Ravil plays, Andrei and Dmitry, for example, play, and like Carlos, Roberto, and Hulk are, let's say, on the bench. So if it suits you, I can actually do it, or maybe I can do it not maybe on a subscriptional, not on a subscription basis, but I don't know. Actually, I have an idea to make it, so I think that we can do it. Yeah. В футзале возможно сделать, чтобы табло времени можно было скрыть. Оно скрывается. So I'm gonna show you. Сейчас я вам это покажу. My friends, let me turn the to quick show the futsal, how to hide the lower thirds. Wait a second, I need to find my application. Так, футзал. Футзал Pro. Футзал Lite. Так. А о каком идет речь? О футзал Lite или футзал Pro? Нет синхронизации компьютера и табло в зале Pro. Так, Pro, окей. So give me a minute. I need to download the Pro version for futsal. Так. 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 Так, сейчас, секундочку. Уже открывается Pro. When you hit the timer hide, the timer is hiding. Вы, когда нажимаете на кнопку Timer Hide, вот он, пожалуйста, скрывается. Или там проблема в чем-то в другом. Планируется ли в новых версиях запустить авторов голов и карточек в нижней части экрана? Нурудин, я показывал, что в новой версии сейчас авторов голов можно делать. Карточки в нижней экрана, это надо посмотреть по графике. Фан-клуб, вот, пожалуйста, все показывается, все скрывается. Вот если вы показываете составы, где они у нас есть-то? Вот составы. Вот вы, пожалуйста, по-моему, скрываете. Вот все показывается. Покрупнее, да, я думаю, на Руди мы сделаем. So now let's get back to ice hockey. So when you run the application, when you download the application, you can see the images, which has like scoreboard all in one, scoreboard 2, shootout, and etc. And also there are 3 PSD files, which you can change, or you can load your own scoreboard in PNG format. So let's change, for example, upload scoreboard. And I want to use the scoreboard from, it's on my desktop. I want to use, for example, let's say like this one. Okay. Now, for me, I need to place all the elements on the canvas for them to be in proper place. Now we click home. Let's make home will be here. Away will be here. Home score will be here. And I wanted to change the color of the home score to black. Let's change it to black. Okay, then away score here. Want to timer. Let's place timer here. Quarter. Let's place it here. penalty home player 1. I will show you what that means. Shootout. Let's make it like this one. And I suppose that it's because it is of the color that it is black. Oh no, oh, sorry. I need to push the shootout show height. No. So I'm live again. There was an internet connection trouble. So as you can see, you can change all the elements like that, like that, like that. And if you want, you can load your own shootout template. Let's choose like from the maybe from my desktop, ice hockey images. Maybe from this one. Like I want to be the shootout and the main on the like the same. Okay, let's make it like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the same for the away team. This is actually very handy and extremely easy. And I just wanted to make the application to be very useful and very easy, so anyone can set it up in like 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes and you're ready to stream. And like that. That's it. So yeah. It took less than 2 minutes to make it. So, and the same thing is actually with the basketball light. When you run the basketball light, you see the when you download it, you see the README, data YAML, and IMG, and also the template in Photoshop format. Font position, and let's change the tag like quarter. No, not quarter. It's false color. Yeah, sure. Background like that. Okay. And now you get +3, +2, +1, -1. Default false. Like I don't know 5. And you need to show and hide once again. Like bonus word, you can deactivate it. But the bonus word is mostly for American basketball, I suppose, because I'm not sure that the European, like EuroLeague, has the bonus. So and you can also change all the elements on the canvas. I've showed that on the on the basketball tutorial, but I can show it once again here quickly, just to be quick. Like start all time, stop all time, and yes, for example, as you see that it was like 10 minutes. If you are familiar with like I don't know, like XML and etc., you can actually open the .yaml file and find here, I suppose it must be here, like shot time 20 seconds by default, and short time like 10 seconds by default, and you can actually change it. Like short time, let's make it 24, and short time, let's make it 14 in basketball. And now when you run the application, you will see that our short time has changed. Now look. Let's make it when we push 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Oh, why it didn't change? Scoreboard tab. Yes, yes. Short time 20 and 10. Oh, I think that I forgot to save it. Yes. No, I don't know. This is very strange. Okay. So if you have any questions, so please ask. If no, you can always write me to my email, or you can write in Telegram and ask any question. I'm trying to respond very quickly, and that's actually it. Do you have any questions? Есть вопросы, ребята? Так, ну ладно, раз вопросов нету, тогда я с вами прощаюсь, и вы всегда можете написать мне на почту, можете написать в Telegram. Вот, у кого-то есть мой телефон, вот, можете спокойно писать. Вот, поэтому все, всем спасибо. Everybody, thank you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. All my... так, нет, спасибо. All the information, how to contact me, you can find on the website. And also, don't forget to look for updates, because all updates can be found on the website. I'm gonna show. I'll quick show you where. You just go to download section, and here you can see the latest version. So the latest version for the Scoreboard Pro was yesterday. I uploaded it yesterday. And you push the download button and get the latest version. And also don't forget to, if you are a new one, you also go to download section, download the distributive, and push the button get demo key, fill in this easy form, and just press get it now. And I'll send you the license key, the trial license key, which will be valid 7 days with no restrictions to your email. And you will have a chance to try the application. So thank you. Thank you for being with me on this quick stream. And I hope to see you soon.